This 2026 East to West Alta 3150 kbh is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 37 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 10, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, external shower, refrigerator, spare tire kit, slide-out, awning, self-contained, TV antenna, smoke detector, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 East to West Alta 3150 kbh is 7,911 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.